Welcome back to the second video in this series of algebra, and you can see that in the previous video we have created a design with the help of T. By repeating the letter T, we have created some design. In this video we'll be doing this. Now we want to make the pattern now here by starting with the letter A. Okay, let's start with the letter A and make the pattern. So for making the pattern, let's start from 1A. So how we are making the A, you see, we have taken 2, 3 and 4 matchsticks. We keep it in this way. You can bring your matchsticks and you can practice and you can see whether it is coming. So for 1A we need 4 matchsticks, right? Okay, now let us put some more matchsticks. So for 2A we need 7 matchsticks. Okay, this is interesting. Now let's move ahead. For 3A's we need 10 matchsticks. For 4A we need 13 matchsticks, right? You can count, or you can do it by yourself by pausing the video right now. Okay, so 13 matchsticks. Now let us look into the pattern, right? So let us see. For making 1A we need 4, for 2 7, for 3A's okay design. If we make 4A 13 matchsticks. Now let us break this number 4, 7, 10 and 13 and let us see whether we can get something constant and something as a variable. Okay, so our job is to see what is variable and which number is constant. So if we see that for 1 we need 4 matchsticks, okay, very nice. That 4 we can write as 1 plus 3, very good. Then this 2A we can write 1 plus 6, very nice, 1 plus 9, and 13 we can write as 1 plus 12. Okay, now let us break it more. You can see here that 3 we can write as 1 into 3, 6 I can write as 2 into 3, 9 we have written as 3 into 3, and 12 we have written as 3 into 4. Now we have some variables here and we have some constant here. So what are the constant? Let us identify. You can see 1 plus 3 into is constant and it is not changing. If we take 1A, it is there. If we take 2A, we have this 3A, we have this 4A, we have 1 plus 3 into. But there is something changing, that is after 3 into, what will be the number? It is changing. So what is the number? If we are taking 1A, then it is 1. If we are taking 3A, it will be 3. So for 5A, definitely it will be 5. 1 plus 3 into is there, right? It is constant. And for 5A, it will be 5, right? For 7A's, it will be 1 plus 3 into is there, right? It is constant. And depending upon the number of A's, we have to multiply it with 3. Okay, so 1 plus 3 into is constant, it is not changing. Okay, so for 13A, can you guess what will come? 1 plus 3 into, definitely it will be there only. And what will come after 3 into? It will be 13. For 13A it will be 13. For 16A it will be 16. Okay, so 40 matchsticks we need for making a design with 13 A's, and 49 matchsticks we need for making a design with 16 A's. Okay, so let us move ahead and let us make some pattern. Let us see that pattern. So for 1A we need 1 plus 3 into 1. For 2A we need 1 plus 3 into 2. For 3A we need 1 plus 3 into 3. So for like this, for n t's, if the number is n now, okay, n is a variable here, n can be any number. So for that what will be the rule? It will be 1 plus 3 into n. Okay, so 1 plus 3 into, that means 1 plus 3n matchsticks we need. Okay, 1 plus 3n matchsticks we need. Okay, so you can see, okay, it is like this. So here the rule is 1 plus 3n. Okay, so 1 plus 3n is the rule. So if we use 6a, then n will be 6. Okay, so if I put in place of 6, if I in the rule, what is the rule? 1 plus 3n. You can see it is written, the rule is 1 plus 3n. So if I take 6a, then n will be 6. So let us replace n by 6. So it will be 1 plus 3 into 6, that is 19. So this is how we can calculate and find out the rule. And using this rule, now we can find out the number of matchsticks without actually designing it. Okay, so you can make try different design, one like N, one like V, one like W, and one like H. I hope the video is clear to you. In the next video, we'll deep dive and we'll create some more designs. So please keep watching the video and to like and subscribe the channel. And I hope that it is clear to you. Please pause the video in between if you do not understand it clearly.